Welcome back to the channel. If you have ever been working on a project in Inkscape and needed to convert your colorful vector graphics or imported photos into a clean, professional grayscale format, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how to grayscale in Inkscape using multiple methods that cover both vector objects and raster images. This is a vital skill for preparing designs for print, creating mockups, or simply giving your artwork a classic monochromatic look. Whether you are a beginner or looking to speed up your workflow, this guide has you covered. Before we dive into the steps, please take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more design tutorials. Now, let's get started. First, let's talk about vector objects. If you have paths or shapes that need to be turned to gray, select your objects with the Select and Transform tool. Head over to the top menu and select Extensions, then click Color, and finally select Grayscale. Inkscape will automatically calculate the luminosity of your chosen colors and convert them to perfectly balanced gray values. It is quick, it is efficient, and it is entirely non-destructive for your vectors. Now, what about imported raster images? If you imported a photo using Ctrl-I and want to desaturate it, first ensure the image is selected using the Selection tool. From the top menu, navigate to Filters, then Color, and choose Grayscale. This applies a filter to your image instantly. But what if you want more control over the look? If you want to fine-tune the gray tones, go to Filters and select Filter Editor. Locate the color matrix effect in your layers or effects list and start tweaking those values to get the exact contrast or shade you are looking for. Finally, let's look at a very useful non-destructive method using the Fill and Stroke panel for your vector objects. Just select your object, press Ctrl-Shift-F to open the Fill and Stroke panel, and click on the HSL tab. Here, you will see the S slider, which stands for saturation. Simply slide this all the way to the left until it hits 0. This will strip all color from the object while keeping the underlying structure intact, and you can undo it at any moment. Keep in mind that this specific saturation trick works best for individual vector objects rather than raster photo files. By mastering these three methods, you will have complete control over how your designs look in grayscale. If this video helped you master Inkscape today, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.